Hey gang, this is Vicky Kelly with the Golden Rule Trades. This is part 2 of trading the FOMC week without blowing up your account. This is definitely a week to take it easy, size down, be careful. It has its unique challenges and opportunities. Today I want to describe the 2 trades that I take on FOMC week. Again, see my previous video for how we restrict our trading at certain times during the week, but this is what I do on Wednesday. And the first one you've probably heard about before. It is one of the bedrocks of the morning method. That's the 1, 2, 3 FOMC trade. And this is simply where we have a move higher, a pullback, and then a breakthrough, which this begins right at the time of the announcement. And you can also do it at 2:30 at the time of the press conference. So this one is represented here is both the press conference and the announcement, either one. It can start here. It's going to go some kind of direction. If the first move is up, then you wait for a pullback. And then as it is heading higher, that is when you take your trade and you follow it up. Or if the initial move at 2 o'clock or 2:30, whichever one you're trading, is down, and then you have a slight pullback, when it heads on to continue on down, that is when you get in and manage your trade from there. And the morning method does provide a very good way to manage that particular trade, which you'll be able to see on Wednesday at 2 p.m. as we are having a live training for the morning method. Hubert Centers and I will be providing that free training that will allow you to check out the morning method, see how it is that we place our trades and manage our trades with that system. And it is a simple, repeatable, clear system that allows you just to get those everyday trades that you take and a pattern that you can get into. If you are not consistent in your trading, if you're not consistent with your goals and what you're trying to accomplish, please come Wednesday, 2 p.m., check it out, see if it won't be that piece that makes all the difference in your clarity and your consistency in your trading. And this will actually be FOMC week, so maybe we will be able to do some live trading while we're in there. That would be awesome, wouldn't it? So this is the 1, 2, 3 trade. The second one is called the rule of 4. Now, I don't usually trade this in the morning method. However, I have found it to be a good trade for the FOMC. And this is simply that you bracket the 4th 10-minute bar after the announcement and take the trade in whichever direction it breaks that bar. So if the announcement is here at 2 o'clock, these are 10-minute bars. If it breaks this to the upside, you go long. Or if, again, at 2 p.m., we have 4 10-minute bars. If it breaks to the downside, you go short. And then you manage your trade. And again, I manage it with the morning method system for targets and stops. You can manage it however you normally do, but I would love for you to come and learn about that on Wednesday at 2 p.m. You'll be able to see that happen. So stay safe, and I will see you at the open.